You might have seen this type of viral map animation in travel videos, and the best part is you can create this without any skill, even in less than a minute. Go to the link in the description. Click here and go to Start for signing in. You can sign in with your Gmail, GitHub, Apple, or even a custom mail. I'm going with Gmail. After logging into the website, here is the option for routes. Here are some default routes, and I'm deleting this to create my personalized map animation. These are the options for the map style. You can select according to your choice. I'm going with the default style. Here is the field for the prompt, and I'm writing flight from the New York City to London via Dhaka, Bangladesh. Click here to submit the prompt. Here you will see the routes you have been asked for. Click on Add 3 places. Close the option and wait a few moments to create the map animation for you. Here is the preview. Click on Export to save it on your computer or mobile storage. Here are the options for square, horizontal, and vertical video. And this is the size and FPS. Now click on Download. Here is the result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.